Bawal po dito mag-ano guys, mag-picture ka na may flash. Nandito po nakalagay.
No picture.
Do not take flash photographs. Yan.
And no.
Bawal ano ito? Bawal suntukin yung salamin.
No punching.
Ito po yung bawal dito. Walang problema yung camera-camera. Mag-picture lang kayo may flash. Bawal siya sa kayo ano. Suntukin mo yung salamin bawal. Wala pong problema yung ano rito yung video lang. Ito po siya. Sa mga warning sign nila.
Papa. But there's no picture there.
It's okay, but no flash.
No light? Delete light?
Delete light.
Only picture with my one eye light?
And video also.
Video why?
Where's the frog in here? Where's the frog?
I don't know where's the frog.
Where's the frog?
Oh, maybe because that fish is the natutunan frog.
Kaon the frog?
You count the frog. That is not a frog. That is a tiny frog.
Okay.
It's a fish with an eel.
Meron ditong ano rin guys.
It's an eel.
May eel din dito no?
But there's another eel. There's 3 eel.
Ibang klaseng eel din nandito.
Papa. There's 3 eel. Why is there? I hope it's not. Papa. So cute.
Nandito yung maliliit pa ano. Get nga raw sabi ni Market.
Papa, it said no dili. Dili ka ni.
Dili.
Wait, he afraid of this, right? Papa.
Oh, Mama don't like this anymore. It's alive. It's walking around.
Papa, look at this. Look. Papa, snakes don't live in an aquarium.
Una pa dito sa taas.
Papa.
Sa taas.
Papa, I think you don't like this, pa. Because he's afraid of it. What the? Papa, turtle has our damage.
Damage?
No, damage.
What's damage?
Damage is just like kanang dugo. But it's still like...
Lamping sila doon, oh?
Akong ikuan eh.
Ha?
1 minute.
Pwede.
Guys, tingnan nyo guys.
Papa, there's a frog! What the frog?
Ayaw niyang patakasin yung isa yan.
Hurry, the frog!
Sinakyan niya na.
The frog, pa? Frog! Did someone picture? It's a rockfish. Papa.
Wait, there's a frog guys.
Papa, what do you think is that? It's a frog.
May itim din doon sa likod.
It's a frog. Papa, it's even up there.
Up there. Oh, napa sa taas. Nandiyan po sa taas.
It's like over for the jumping skill. What is this? A boo-boo.
What's that though?
No, Papa. Papa. This is not a lobster.
That's a lobster.
No.
Amerika sarikane.
Mana?
Kani dati.
Kani? Kani?
Kani to ibumitay.
I told you this is a egg, not a lobster, okay? Papa. This ring. Papa.
Ito may nakatago rito isda.
It's a big fish. Bigger than us.
may ano rin sila rito, no? May preserve din sila na ano, alligator fish.
Wait, kind of looks like scoop roller?
Oh.
Like the same of movie.
Pwede lang daw kamera, ano? Alligator fish po to, guys. Ito po yung alligator fish. May naka-preserve sila, no? Yun po yung alligator gar. Alligator gar. Alligator gar yung tawag nila, no? Oh.
Butterfly fish is here. Butterfly fish.
Okay, ang ganda niya, guys.
Butterfly fish.
Napoleon fish at saka butterfly fish.
Butterfly fish, how do you know?
Kay taan yun.
Yan.
Jojo, Jojo, sakana.
Ito pala, ano pala to, guys? Oh, Napoleon fish pala to. Ito yung Napoleon fish. Ang laki ng ano, oh. Tao dito. Nandun yung stonefish, nakatago. Nakatago yung stonefish. Sa likod ng ano, Napoleon fish, nakatago. Guys, may buffer fish tayo dito. Yung butete yung sa atin yan.
But you haven't seen the clownfish like
What
this.
fish is that? What fish is that?
What is that? Mom. Oh, clever. Why is there another Nemo like this? How is it a fish like
Ito,
this?
yung parang
What is
tila na
that?
lumultang-lutang. Isda pala yan. Akala ko tila lang. Isda
What
pala
is
yan.
that?
Yan. Tatlo po sila yan. Yan.
What is that?
Akala ko parang tilang itim na, no?
Fish?
Yung tila, garter na itim na, no? Hindi po, isda po pala yan. Yung klase isda.
that?
Anong klase isda kaya
Is
yan?
it a Neo fish? Or is that a Neo with the night goggles? It's a fish! Why is there a fish, Ma? Ma!
Mm.
That's naked. It's not like in the aquarium. It's in the books. Pizza!
すごい。何これ。
それそれそれ。
You find this in the stingray. This is the tail of the stingray, okay?
Oh, can it put dangerous?
No, that are stingray.
Can
This is the tail of stingray, beti. Correct.
tail of stingray? Wait.
This is the dangerous fish of stonefish.
Papa. So, what's he say?
This is the dangerous thing of the animals. This and this one.
Papa, what is this?
It's the stingray.
Papa, this one is stingray Kanimanta, right?
Yeah, mentera.
Oh no, which one is
And look
not?
at this
Papa.
one. And this one also, Martin. Don't touch this one if you see. Don't play it, okay? It's very dangerous. You will die if you bite it.
Wait,
Okay?
he can bite me?
Yeah?
Yeah.
God, mouth.
Yeah.
One thing, it's not dangerous. Someone not, something really dangerous.
Not dangerous?
Oh.
What it?
Can you what it?
Dangerous na tanan dong.
Dangerous eh. All of this is dangerous.
Dangerous na siya tanan.
Sami good.
Sami, dangerous ang sami.
But there's no salmon there.
How about this one? How about this one?
There forgot the salmon. There's sharp teeth like a lizard.
So, this is dangerous abone. Don't play, don't touch it It's a snake.
Megalodon.
It's a venomous. What kind of venomous?
Venomous. Papa.
Ah.
Papa. The okay fish is
Tuna. Yes, tuna. Okay, ito yung dangerous na sa Yung ahas pala dito sa Japan guys,
so
bawal po
starving.
patayin, Pwede kang hulihin ng mga pulis kung pinatay mo. Kung may makita ka ahas, pabayaan mo na lang yan. Hindi mo talaga pwede patayin yan dito lang sa atin. Katin bawal naman sa atin, pero sa malayong lugar. Pero dito talaga bawal talaga kahit saan. Kung may makita ka ahas, pabayaan mo lang. Yan po dito patagaran sa Japan. Kahit pa ka delikado yan. Basta hindi talaga pwede patayin. Okay, Martin.
Let's
You
see.
hungry?
Yes.
Yeah, let's eat,
Let's
Martin.
go. Let's go.
Okay, gutom na si Martin kaya hanap kami ng pagkain. Maybe